Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have successfully completed the notes list header navigation bar in the mobile responsive and also in the desktop we have seen it. Now it's time for us to work on the notes page. Now if you see here the notes list, if I for example, if I am making this one as a very big one, let's try to make it as a very big one. One second. Now, if you make it as a very big one, the notes list and this note status is moving far left and also it is in the far right. So what can we do is in Bulma we have a method that is let's go to the navbar.view. We will add this entire thing. So from here, I will add this entire thing in a container. Okay, this is the container. Now let's try to add this one in a container. Fine, right? So now if you try to see here, so this one came into the middle, right? So it will take something like if it is greater than 1024 pixel or something like that, the maximum width of the container width, it will be 960 pixel only. In the mobile, it will take it as a full width. 1023 pixel below, it will take it as a full width. But 1023 and 1023 and above, it will take it as a half width. So fine. Now let's go to the notes page. We need to design this notes page, right? So for this one, what we need to do is first we need to have a card. So let's go to here in our components. We have a card. I need to have a card to show the notes. So which one will be fine is, so this notes will be fine. So this notes. So showing the notes details and save, edit and delete these buttons. Let's copy this entire thing. And here instead of having this one, I will paste it entire here. So let's see here. So we are able to see the notes. Now what I want is I don't want this header. So I can remove this header part. Let's see how it will look like. Yeah, fine. And what I will do is I will delete these all the things. Just I will add the lorem ipsum here. Yeah. Now if you see here, yeah. And also I don't want this save. Only the edit and delete needs to be there. Fine. This is fine. Let's check this one by adding v-for. So I in 5. So if we try to check 5, so this is how it will be looking. What we will try to do is we will try to change this background color also for this one. So let's go to the index.html. So the entire HTML page itself, I will change the background color to as background hyphen light. Okay. So this is the background color. If you try to apply this background color, okay, fine. We need to apply the danger. So what is the background color we need to have? So now if you try to see here, there is a pink color at the background. And now this one, these all the what I can say, these all the posts or notes what is trying to do. So we need to have a gap for these all things. Now let's go here, and for each one I will have a gap of MB-4. Now if you see here MB-4, I have applied it. Oh sorry, for the class we need to apply it, right? For the class I will apply the MB-4. Now we are able to see a gap for this one all. So fine, this is looking fine. And we need to have exactly notes list from where this logo is coming and stats. So up to here it needs to come. So what we can do is we can wrap this one entire thing, or otherwise we can wrap this in the app.view. In the app.view, this entire router view in a container. Okay, we are using the container for that one, right? So we'll use the same thing for the container. Yeah. So this one is looking perfect. So the top place and all those things you'll decide it. This one is looking perfect. So what I want to do is I want to add a text area or otherwise a form to add the notes. So these are the display notes, and we need to add a form. For this one, what we can do is, so here let's go into the forms general. If you try to see here, so here we are having this text area, right? This type of text area with the label and text area we need it. Let's go to this one, and here I will copy this text area, email field, text area. Yeah, here from here to here we are having the text area. And we need those submit and cancel also. Let's go to the new notes view, and here at the top I will paste it. Okay, so I have pasted it this one, and now what I want to do is this text area is needed, and let's go to the view item. Yeah, here the message text area, these all things are needed. I don't want this agree to the terms and all those things, and I don't want this yes or no also. So now I am able to see submit and cancel. This is the thing. Let's add a border, something like that, background color for this one. So this is the complete field and this submit and cancel, right? So I will wrap it this one in entire div. Okay. And here I will wrap it this one in entire div. And for this one, what I will try to do is class is equal to has background. I will apply the danger hyphen dark. So I will apply some dark color. Yeah, we are able to see the dark color, and we will apply my hyphen 4. So now we are able to have this one, and also we will apply something like p hyphen 4, like margin also. So it's fine. And what I will do, so far so good, right? We can remove this cancel button also. There is no need for me the cancel button. And this one we can move it to the right, is hyphen grouped hyphen right. So I can move it to the right side. And the submit button also we can apply, what I can say is hyphen danger. So I can change it to danger. So like this. So it's looking somewhat okay, right? So if you want to have here the darker or dark, whatever thing, so it's fine. So we'll keep it like this only. So now we are able to design this one. So if I try to decrease this one, if I try to decrease this one, so what will happen is here is, so here if I try to decrease this one, see in the mobile version it is coming something like edge to edge. So in the mobile we need to have some gap. So what I can do is, so for this one in the app.view, for this one I can apply something like px-2. Now we got some gap. And if I try to go here, and if I try to do it, see here notes list and all those things are not aligned properly. What I can do is, let's go to the navbar.view, and here also for this container I can apply px-2. Now it has been moved. Now if you try to see here, so everything is fine. So if you want to increase, you can increase it. So now we have designed the basic thing for this notes page. So whenever I am trying to add these notes, this should be added. So here let's go to the notes view, and this is not a submit button. Add new note. Okay, add new note, and this message also, so note. Okay, I will try to change it note, and text area also I will change it to placeholder. Add new note. So it's looking somewhat fine. Okay, so this is how we will be designing this one, the entire thing. And now here you can remove this VF and for and all those things, so that now it will be very easy. Now what we need to do is the entire thing, whatever the note we are trying to enter it here, it should be added automatically here. If I click on the edit, it should be edited, and delete means a pop-up should come, it should be deleted. So like this we need to develop the notes thing, and afterwards we will add the authentication and all those things. We'll add it one by one, we'll do it. So this is all the notes page design. So next onwards we'll try to do the logic and all those things. Hope you understood about this one. Now what I will try to do is, I will commit this entire code in a new branch, video-77, and let's commit this all code. So notes page design. Okay, we have did the notes page design. Now I will commit this entire code. So let's commit it, and here I will publish this branch. So whoever may be having doubts and all those things, so they can go into this notes list type and view the branch, the repo. So this is provided in the description below for every video for this project. So whoever is following this project and practicing, if you have any doubts in the code and if you want to refer the code, means you can come to this repo and you can download it and you can check the code. So how I have did it, and you can follow that code according to that one. So this is all about the notes page design. So in the next video we will move a little bit further. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.